Hey everybody, Matty here with Altcoin Buzz. Happy Monday, and it certainly feels like the beginning of a very special week. Blockfolio commenting here, so it begins. We're seeing more and more major legacy media outlets that are just in a position where they can't deny it anymore. They have to start covering Bitcoin. They have to start covering this explosion in price. The Wall Street Journal here commenting, Bitcoin trades near record and finds new audience. Couple that with the observation that we made the other day, Bitcoin and quote, buy Bitcoin Google search term volumes are nowhere near all-time highs. This is an organic, and albeit, institutional, but in a good way, this is a very organic bull run that we're seeing right now. This isn't FOMO yet. This isn't the everyday American or global citizen or whomever. This isn't the everyday person getting into it. This is institutions. This is corporations. This is, I think, in the background, hedge funds and private investors, because check this out, that buy Bitcoin term is actually nowhere near all-time highs in terms of popularity. Ellie here commenting, buckle up, kids. We have yet to see the bull run yet. Even outlets like Forbes have been forced to create their own Forbes crypto divisions, and they're commenting here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, which had another massive day, Litecoin, and Chainlink could be heading into their biggest week ever. Speaking of Ethereum, by the way, at Altcoin Buzz IO with this comment, very simply, it's moon time. Ethereum, ETH. And we're basing that comment off of this post here by Vitalik. This is from yesterday, actually. The ETH2 deposit contract has reached more than half of its target, currently at about 278,000 ETH deposited, with the bulk of the deposits taking place in the last 3 days. And as of right now, as of this recording, that number is up over 60%, so it's moving quickly. And as always, you have to love the numerology and the symbology in this space. Right now, ETH is just over $600, and it's up above 60% of its deposited contract target. $600 Ethereum. I mean, just days ago, it was in the low 300s. It's unbelievable what can happen in this space. And of course, as things are accelerating, the next milestone for Ethereum is very likely going to be $1,000. I am fully confident that we're going to see it. And then beyond $1,000, we're going to see new all-time highs. That's very much my contention, and I'm sticking to it. Let's go. Here on cryptonews.com, double Ethereum rally. Price hits USD 600 and ETH 2.0 deposit contract filled over 50%. As I was saying just a moment ago, that number is now a fill rate of over 60%. But at the time of writing, according to the data provided by Dune Analytics, 313.7 thousand Ethereum has been sent to deposit contracts so far, which is about 58.7% of the amount needed. A particular spike in numbers can be noticed in these last 3 days, with a record reached on the 22nd of November with over 87,000 Ethereum staked. And of course, this is kind of a virtuous circle, and you have many analysts suggesting that the rising price of Ethereum is fueling more deposits, and then those rising number of deposits are then fueling the price, etc., etc. Quote, the closer we get to 100% of the 524,000 threshold, the higher the price of Ethereum, said Kelvin Ko, co-founder and partner of the crypto hedge fund Spartan Capital. And Ko added that, quote, don't need people to market buy ETH to send it higher. A steadily rising ratio signals the community's confidence in ETH 2.0 and the fact that people are willing to forego higher yields elsewhere to bet on the future of Ethereum. Very true. At Altcoin Buzz IO on Twitter, reminding you of a major giveaway that we're participating in, Bitcoin BTC giveaway with AAX Exchange. You can win $200 worth of Bitcoin very easily. In fact, here's what you have to do. Number one, like and retweet. Number two, follow Altcoin Buzz IO and follow AAX Exchange on Twitter. And then all you have to do is reply with any fact or opinion about AAX Exchange. This competition ends on the 21st of October. Very simple, very easy. You may as well throw your hat into the running for a chance, again, of $200 of Bitcoin. We're giving it away on the 21st of December. Good luck. Loopring here is in the news at Loopring ORG, Loopring.org on Twitter. Make sure you're following. Shots of the forthcoming Loopring mobile wallet, smart contract wallet plus ZK Rollup. Scaling equals awesome Ethereum experience. Getting into mainstream territory. Subscribe to know when it drops. You can check out the images here. They do indeed look pretty slick. This is a bit of an older tweet going back to the 2nd of November, but here's the follow-up on altcoinbuzz.io. Loopring releases details of its new fees plan with this article by Rachel. Also going back a little bit to the 14th of November, but if you're not up to speed with this information and you are a devotee and a fan of Loopring, you'll want to check it out. Makers will now get paid when takers fill their orders with the new fee schedule released by Ethereum-based protocol Loopring. Crypto.com with this news here on Twitter. 2 days to go with the REN 50% off deal that's offered on the Syndicate. To join, here's what you have to do. Number one, sign up using the following link. You have to stake 5,000 CRO, trade 5,000 USD worth on the exchange, and subscribe REN at 6 a.m. UTC on the 24th of November. Again, 2 days to go. The Syndicate, where REN is 50% off with a $250,000 US dollar allocation. Here's where you can find information about that REN listing. Again, it's 50% off. So if you're not familiar with the Syndicate, it's basically Crypto.com's fundraising platform. Crypto.com or CRO holders will receive priority token allocation for these events. If you don't have an account, sign up for the Crypto.com exchange now to qualify for this sale. Again, REN 50% off, and it's a big deal right now, and it's very apropos, I guess, because here you have blockchain interoperability, which is surging as Multichain available on RENVM. This on altcoinbuzz.io article by David. REN revealed that Multichain has been released into RENVM, thus bringing a slew of new assets and chains into the world of interoperability. Also, with some quick news here from Crypto.com, again reminding you guys of the Crypto.com CRO Visa card, which is now available in Canada. This tweet here, the Crypto.com Visa card is coming to Canada. You can apply for yours now and be among the first to get one. Cards ship in January. Link to apply can be found here in this tweet. As I've mentioned now, I think a couple of times, I've been a user of the Crypto.com, the CRO ecosystem, for quite a long time, but the card has been unavailable. As a Canadian, I haven't had access to a card in my market. That's all changing. I just signed up, guys. It's a couple of simple steps of KYC, know your customer. You have to provide a proof of address to bolster your existing account. It's very easy. It took only a couple of minutes. So if you're a Canadian, if you want to avail yourself of some of the great deals and some of the great perks that are associated with this card, I would highly recommend following up and using this link here to apply. As a reminder, guys, if you're signing up for the first time, you can always use our exclusive code AB. You can find that both in the comments and the description below. If you're ordering a CRO Visa card for the first time, you can get $25 loaded onto it for free. Again, just use our code AB for $25 on your CRO Visa card. That is it for today, everybody. Do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels and keep checking back into altcoinbuzz.io for all the latest. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications if you guys enjoyed today's video. Best of luck, of course, if you choose to invest on this Monday, but stay safe out there, everybody. Let's keep our eyes on both Ethereum and Bitcoin and others for that matter. I'm sensing pretty good things coming up for us in the relatively near future. As always, everybody, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video.